So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I were to zoom in, then you can see that there's a bit of noise over here. So if you want to go around and smoothen out these textures and noise right here, then what you can do is you can utilize Selective Gaussian Blur. So to access that particular option, you need to go around onto filters and then go around onto blur and then go to Selective Gaussian Blur right here. Once you do that, you can see that it smoothens out the noisy part right here, just like this. So you can go around and choose around the max delta. That means if you can go around and choose the amount of similarity in the pixels right here. So now as I increase this, you can see that it goes around and then blurs out the similar pixels together right here. As you can see, if there's any like difference, like over here there's black and white of difference, it does not blur it out. So you don't want to go too deep right here, but just a bit right here, just like this, so that it goes around and blends out the pixels together. So if I were to really zoom in right here, then you can see that there's a bit of artifacts right here. As I increase out the max delta, you can see that it smoothens out those pixels and makes it even right here, just like this. So as I go around over here, you can go around and change around the max delta, and it goes around and smoothens out those pixels right here, just like this. So you don't want to go too much. You can also go around and change around the blur radius, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and change around the radius, you can see that I can bring it closer together, or I can smoothen it out. So you can go around and choose the blur radius, choose around the max delta to remove out the details, and change around the radius right here to choose the amount of detail right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and smoothen out the uneven pixels and remove out noise that you may have in an image inside of GIMP by using Selective Gaussian Blur. So you can go around and utilize the split view right here to see the before and after, as you can see right here, and then see the preview as well, and even work around with the blending modes, as you can see right here, as you want. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.